record. It is on 1, 2, 3. Hi guys, it's RGKF again. It's been a while, hasn't it? Here to update you guys. So you know I'm a 3D artist, trying to get more into Blender. And I told myself I need a PC because my laptop just died, unfortunately. So I got a new PC from PCS Specialist, and I just want to tell you guys about my experience. So I ordered it sometime around November, and then it arrived, I think, quite quickly, like 7 to 8 days. So they sent me some pictures of it. I'll probably put it on screen. The testing was fairly quick, and the DPD, they delivered it. And I'll put a picture right there of my feet. So yeah, I got a bunch of cables that I did not know what to do with because but the setup and installation was quite easy. Unboxing everything fairly quick. I'll put the specs on screen if you wanna know what I got, but I got 3 fans in front, 1 at the back, and a nice big 4090. A nice 4090, GeForce 4090 Game Rock. I'm sure you see that on the specs. Yeah, this cost me around a nice quick 3K. Quite heavy, but you know, it is what it is for the work that I'm doing. I might show you guys some of my Blender projects that I'm working on. Just doing some little fun projects to sharpen the mind, advance my skills, and I've always wanted efficient rendering times. And having a laptop and using Blender, sometimes when you don't have the specs, you don't have the specs. I basically saved for 7 months. I said, I need a PC with at least some alright specs. One thing I'm really impressed with my PC is the cable management, and everything was just so easy. I just plugged everything in. Because I wanted to build my PC by myself, but then I was like, oh God, you know, what if I mess this up? What if I mess that up? So yeah, PCS really came in clutch. So I got my monitor from Curry. I got an LG UltraGear 27GP850. I had to read that out. Quad HD Nano IPS. I think it's good for what I needed to do. I think I'm fine for now. Yeah, probably show you a picture of my PC setup. But yeah, if you want my review of PC Specialist, it's a 10 out of 10 company. Everything from warranty, from testing to you know, getting the package. They're very helpful. They have a Discord where you can get help if you have any questions, any problems. I did have a problem with my motherboard beeping 5 beeps, which I think that indicates a problem with the CPU. But turns out GIGABYTE has this weird thing where, because my monitor wasn't on, but my PC was on, it would have those beeps. Like if I start my PC without turning on my monitor, but if my monitor is on, it's okay and it's all fine, which is quite weird, I know. But yeah, so far so good. I'm loving it. I'm upgrading, I'm building upon what I have, and I'm very grateful because I worked hard to get this. So yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe, because you know your boy needs those subscribers. All right, cheers, peace.